Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I have some sad news for Japan. Uno, when me see it, me say, I have to come share this with you, Yeah, man. A St. Thomas laborer was crushed to death by a motor truck's mixing tank in an industrial accident on Monday. My wisdom warriors, laborer crushed to death. When I see this, Mr. Lord Jesus, how this managed to happen? How this managed to happen? Mighty God. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. An elderly man has been charged with wounding with intent after he allegedly chopped a teenager with a machete during an altercation in Sandy Bay, Hanover on Monday. My wisdom warriors, just look at this now. A senior citizen a chop up a 15-year-old pitney just because the pitney about him. Seriously, a senior citizen chop up a 15-year-old boy. What is really going on with my people of Jamaica? What is wrong with you? The least little thing, you just get angry and a chop up people and a shoot up people and a stab up people. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with Uno? Uno see some more important things in the country to deal with than them as something here. Uno get up every day and argue and a fight. A fight off Uno brothers and sisters. And what do Uno? And this a person I know, this a senior citizen elderly man now. Me not understand. Me not understand these people. A elderly man chop up a 15-year-old boy. Me tell you, say a lot of people is walking around and them sick in their head skull. Lot of people walking around and them sick in their head skull. I don't get it. I don't understand. Them mess up me and I write in my wisdom warriors. Them mess up me. Wanna get too easily angry, man. Wanna get too easily angry. No, sir. Me want to know the 15-year-old boy and have parents. He have parents. So why the elderly man never go or contact his parents? No, he might go there prison for the rest of his backside life. No, he might go there prison for the rest of his life because of this foolishness, because of heated argument in Chapapa Pitney. It's crazy, man. It's Jesus. This is craziness. What is really going on? Come on, Jamaica. Come on. Culture Minister Olivia Grange says she will be bringing in a motion to Parliament to make clear that all discrimination against people, including members of the Rastafari community, based on hairstyle or other modes of cultural and religious expression is illegal and unconstitutional. So now hear that, my wisdom warriors. So at least Olivia Babsy Grange is looking into what the PNP said. Because remember, I want to know this, It was the PNP that come out and call upon the government to come forth and do something about this. Big up Mark Golding and the team right through. Big up Mark Golding and the team right through. So I'm glad how they not turn it down, because a lot of time when the PNP come and talk, they always turn it down. And 3 years later, you see them run with it and say for them ideas. So anyway, me like how Babsy Grange run out panda one year. Yes, man, because Rastafarian community, they deserve better. They really do. They deserve better. My wisdom warriors, me are telling us right now, me are bringing us straight over Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Over there, me are telling us it not pretty at all. Over St. Catherine right now, not pretty at all. St. Catherine, Spanish Town are experiencing terrible flooding after a few hours of rain this afternoon. This happened yesterday, my wisdom warriors. So guess what? Look on this. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what's going on? Wanna see what is going on when rain fall? Wanna see what is happening? So remember, so the government did say there's going to be flash floods. This is why I not understand said how parents are let out them if you go about them business after the hurricane. And remember, say after the hurricane there is a storm. There's flash floods. You understand? Look at this. Just look at that. Rain fall and the whole of the water take over the people them house. Mighty God of Daniel. See, wanna see how the person if you try push out the water out of them house. Mighty God, no sir. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me I bring on straight down a little London right now because on half a year with the resident them I say because the resident them a ball out, you know. The resident them a ball out. They have enough, my wisdom warriors. Take in this. Take a look at the road, my wisdom warriors. The people them is out here. The people them make sure so them a block the road. You see what them do? Them block the road because them a say a pure bullshit a go on and they need electricity. A little and than this, you know. The people them tired of the foolishness. They tired of the crap, my wisdom warriors. You understand me? You see some people, they not talk. I want to know. Sometimes when I say, oh, people they not talk. The people they not talk because the people they afraid. So at least them a show a video. And me alright with that. Because me are the one always tell them, say, so, come out, show me what go on. Even if you don't want to talk, you don't have to talk. Just come and show me. Make we see what go on so we can spread the word. JPS, they need to do better than this, my wisdom warriors. You know the reason why me I say that? You know the reason? Them are the same very person that came out and said them all get help from foreign. And all know, they ain't say nothing else about it. You understand me? All know. Something need to be done. Something need to be done, my wisdom warriors. Anyway, may I take on a straight in St. Mary. Hear this.
Enough people lose their meat, you know? Them buy up their meat, put in their fridge, say everything alright, from Friday. Yeah. They spoil already. Because the fridge you even get for freezer. Good. The meat then spoil, them have to dash away. When the people in the community call them put them on wall. Like them put them on wall. Wall, they never respond back. Then credit $500 credit run off, $1,000 credit run off of them phone. Then them say again, them can't come here so because the amount of place them have to go work. And I just want to look at district here. So I don't say I in a Enfield, long road, a roadside with them. And a bush with them, a roadside. And we can't get no light. That's not right.
I agree with you, Papa, 100%. I agree with you. You see the way how them a deal with them customers, my wisdom warriors, I don't like it. I don't like it. When I hear JPS, them a come out. The only person I come out is Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness is acting like he is the director for JPS. I saw Andrew Holness behave. He going like him at the JPS director, my wisdom warriors. The man come out and him attack for everybody. So him a fear run the whole place. That's why we have to call him out. We have to call him out because he always going like him at the manager for healthcare, him at the manager for crime, him at the manager for light, him at the manager for agriculture. So we have to call him out. We have to call him out. And JPS uno fi deal with no customer better. Imagine the people them a ring uno and have the people them pan all because uno no care. Uno do not care. Uno don't care. Uno fi do better, man. Uno must do better. My wisdom warriors, the people them, when me I tell us the people them have enough, man. The people them have enough. Take a look at this.
Yes. Yes, people just I want to tell people I want food, 4,000 nights for gas. They'll go pay every day, we know a bit. Plus like the mountain. No matter.
Bang! Bang!
If we not got Let's clean. Look, you have one like your hands. I'm for dead for last time. Chop man, put a key truck in a gear and park that.
Me telling you something, my wisdom warriors. You see, the people them, they need help and they need support. Because burial come, they not no light, no for them, they not no food, they not have nothing. On top of that, JPS a charge them one bag of money. The people they need electricity. The people they have to protest. The people them have to protest. I do not blame them for doing this. Me agree with them. When I see this video in my wisdom warrior, somebody comment and say, yes, look what the PNP them a do. Look what the PNP. This is what people are saying. You have some dirty thinking labor right out here, laugh off them out, through they not suffer and go through with the people them a go through, man. And it pain me heart, everything the dirty thinking labor right, then get up a chat about PNP I do this, People are suffering, brother. Uno think say only PNP, about JLP and PNP, but uno true no found no live at Jamaica, uno don't know the shit what go on. Seriously, man. Seriously. The people them out here a protest, cause they need help. They need help. The people them a fear buy gas for 5,000. The people they not have it. Hear the people them attack. Remember say Andrew Holness come out and say if them protest, that not go help. And that Andrew Holness say, I want Jamaican people listen to these things, I hope you not listen when Andrew Holness cock up in a parliament and chat off him out, I wonder if the Jamaican people are listen and know what go on. So when I see some dirty thinking labor right come out and a chat about what you PNP I do like on the things say a joke thing this. Some of you go, Some of you left from boy, on the labor right, Cause you enemy of progress, You worthless set of people, You don't have nothing about you, You heartless. You wicked. But as I said, any day reach on the rotted old door. Any day it reach on the door. Una go start speak a different language. Then una rotted whole eye we up my good. Then una eyes we start up good. Just wait. And I want it for reach a phone the door, Yes, man, una have to learn the hard way. Imagine the people them a go through what them a go through, my wisdom warriors. And you have labor rights out here at talk about look what PNP a do. Uno mad or what? Uno mad? Come like on a lick on the head. You come like on crazy. Una go make sake of one criminal. Una fight against una brother and sister. Una no sister no found no sense. That's why me this more while me no rate no labor right. Cause una no sense. Una follow behind a man. When I have nothing of good governance. When I sign the code of conduct. Una run behind a man we sign some more agreement. For legalize batty business. Transgender business. And them the type of somebody. Una show we. Una really show we, what una made of, Una say what go on here, so. No for but you no for una in the closet and well want come out. That's why no for una defend Andrew, And that me realize. No for una. That's why una defend Andrew because no for una sodomite boy and no for una rainbow boy and no for una transgender and you no want come out of the closet una defend Andrew Holness. How can you defend somebody like that? A prime minister under investigation. Una defend. Come on. A suspected criminal una defend? Really? Really? Una is a sad folks. Una sad. Una sad. Una sick my stomach. Una dirty thinking labor right. That's why me this me no care. Me no business. Me no rate uno. No for una fool boy. Uno come out everything uno chat about PNP. Look what PNP I do. A JLP I go through this fool. No for una fool boy. JLP I go through this. What do uno? What do uno? Sometimes uno for bill man. Sometimes uno for bill and find something do man. And have sense boy. Go beg God for little wisdom and understanding. My wisdom warrior, sometimes I have to get cross on them, Jano, me have to get cross. If people them a go through it, man. If people them want like a light, man. And JPS workers them out here charge how much money, Nobody fall like when I hear them a come talk about impersonator and them something there. Listen. Listen, my wisdom warriors, me telling you something. Government never admit to nothing yet. Government never admit to nothing yet. But the people them know what go on. So I call the people them liar. And the people them a go through you. The people they don't have money for you buy gas. You hear what the people them say? They don't have it. They don't have it. Come on, switch on back the people them light, man. Free up the people them, man. Free them up. Blouse and skirt. Sometimes it hurt me heart, man. Me hate for see me people them are suffering on my wisdom warriors. Me not like it, man. And when you have some little dirty, stinking, waste of space, enemy of progress, labor right come out and I chat off their mouth. Me have to say, that one I really hate Jamaica. How Jamaica do no so? How no hate Jamaica so? How no hate poor people so? I wanna feel like, you think so no better than we? Me tell you something, me I go always defend my Jamaican people. So when I see the dirty thinking labor right them come out and go on like they want to diss up my people them, me have to defend them. Me have to defend them 100%, and me not stop. Me not stop defend my people. And una fit this mentality of PNP and JLP, una fit take that out of our brain and come together as one. Beryl come and gone and it come like you no learn nothing yet. It come like that no shake you. You know why no shake you because you no get it good. No, I don't care who want chat off their mouth. I don't care who want vex. I don't care who want like me. Me not there for likes. Me always come and tell you no. Me there for the people them. Some of you no serve no purpose. You no out here commenting rubbish, chatting shit. And you no see what the Andrew Holness do. Andrew Holness should even be a prime minister right now. Andrew Holness should step down because he under investigation for criminality. You no know what that? And now come go on like you no want to discredit Integrity Commission. I want to feel like boy. I no found to go away. No found to go away. My wisdom warriors, it break me heart. I don't like to see my people them like this. But when I see some things going around with the labor right them and how them a behave, man, it's a disgrace, man. Them could never like Jamaica. Jamaican people, you know. Boy, me no know. Jano. It rough. But anyway, you tell me one thing. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, run go over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.